Behind you, babe.
I had on the dolls move too.
No.
Is it moving?
Since we were last in here.
Did anybody catch that on film? Oh no.
What it does is it cleans up the energy, cleans up the aura. Use it in all. Anyone
Wonderful,
else?
thank you. The rods aren't doing anything right here, but I've got shivers like major.
Yeah.
As soon as you put the cross down, look at the rods move. They were totally crossed, and then they uncrossed when you put the cross down. Look at that.
Now I'll go get the sage.
Okay, bring the sage. Okay, this is too freaky. Okay, everything changed as soon as you put the cross on the floor. Okay, I'm not moving. I'm staying right here. There's energy down here. Definite energy. And I'm hoping it's not that demon thing.
You're not wanted here.
We'll do that, and Craig is already using his thermal imager, so somebody's got to be on him and
Okay.
slow him down.
He's like, it's going down, like certain things.
I can't believe you're dowsing rods.
I know.
Susanna?
Where did I put them?
Right here.
There was,
That's gone.
pardon?
That's gone.
Yeah, I know, I'm good too.
But you know what? I'm feeling it again now all of a sudden.
Got pressure. I was standing.
Oh my God, I just felt something in the back of my head as soon as we said it's gone. I just felt something here.
Okay, sure.
It's funny that he's getting all of us at the same time though. That's really unusual, because sometimes they'll come up to one person and make their presence known, but it seems like he's kind of getting everybody. Couldn't breathe? You know what? It's right here. I can't breathe right now.
Yeah. But it's not connected to the group. They're just
I can't tell. I just, right now, I'm feeling like I'm suffocating.
He just wants to, sometimes they show you.
Now, where does he come from? Oh, got our planchette ready. So what I'd like everybody to do is join hands first of all, please. Thank you. And we're going to ask that our angels, our spirit guides, our helpers, all the ascended masters be with us as we conduct this seance. Somebody's behind me.
Wow, it's dancing.
Mm-hmm. Oh, look at that. What, Shannon?
I guess there's noise behind you, right? There's no one there, huh?
I told you there's somebody behind me. I can feel it.
Do you hear it?
Mm-hmm.
Tap, tap, tap.
Yeah, I'm not moving. Okay. Well, the positive side of that is it's not something that's attached to you. It's something that's attached to the property. So it's not a personal thing. Okay, so please always bear that in mind. It's not personal.
Yeah, well, it's very frightening and
Well, I'm
scary,
sure it's
especially for my
frightening,
child when she won't go and sleep upstairs in her own bed, wakes up screaming in the middle of the night. You know, I can't even sleep in my own bedroom, and I haven't since the day I moved here. And I have not slept in my bed, so.
Okay, well, we'll see what we can do for you, okay? Let's, you sweetheart. First thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to light a black candle. And I'm going to place around it 4 black stones. The stones are going to absorb the energy of our magic and of the candle. And we're going to sprinkle some caraway seed on it. Caraway seed banishes evil.
You just let it burn a little bit like that, and then you just want to let it smolder like that. And then you're gonna walk around the house.
Is there a child there? I'm sorry.
No, there's nobody there.
That tricycle just rolled across the driveway by itself, across the sidewalk. Sorry for interrupting. Very stuffy in here. But they're definitely, oh my. Rod's going crazy. I think they're telling me not to come any closer.